Hello and welcome to another edition of Stock Watch. So as we get into the back end of the trading week, we hear that Prime Day for Amazon was quite a success in the last couple of days. So it's a two-day event that ended on Tuesday, and what it is, it launched in 2015, and it's a chance for subscribers to Amazon Prime to promote its services and products, and it's going to become one of the busiest shopping days of the year, probably even bigger than Black Friday, which comes nearer the end of the year. So as I said, this past Monday and Tuesday, it was the two biggest days of the sale period for third-party sellers in the company's history, actually. So it did break some records as well. And Amazon did say that the third-party merchants outpaced their own sales of over 250 million products. So that's quite significant as well. Amazon don't usually give profit margins away, but they did say that it did surpass $11 billion, which is a 6% increase in last year. So again, quite significant there. I just want to look at another company called Freeport-McMoRan. They actually had quite a big day in the last few, quite a few big sessions. So it's an American mining company, and what's happened is in the last month they had a bit of a decline of 12% in their stock price, but in overall last year, in the year to date, it actually shot up by over 200%. That's quite significant as well. So I just want to look at that stock as well, because it is progressing quite well, and there's good opportunities there as well. So I just want to look at Amazon first of all today, and we saw this the last time I looked at it. I knew it was going to go either one of two ways, either down to this previous peak or up to the top. So now at the moment we are looking at the progressive move past the top border of the Ichimoku Club. That's what I was waiting for the break. Put my buy position in, and now I'm basically expecting it to run roughly about the 3,550 range. However, I am just a bit cautious about this slight bearish divergence here. We had a little bit of top momentum here. It is very, very slight, so it is a little bit precarious for me looking at it on the back way, but we'll see what the opportunities are for Amazon. Just bring it down on a 4-hour chart as well. Again, we've cleared the Ichimoku Cloud top border, but now as you can see here, it is slightly progressing higher, which means we could be in for a slight pullback here. And as you can see, the divergence is a little bit more prominent on the intraday chart as well. So I'll just be looking to see if we start dipping below certain, you could say it's a little bit of a false break, but if we do start dipping below that, then I'll be expecting maybe to close my position out and take the slight profit that I've made from here to here, which is just, significant enough for me to keep going on the other trades as well. So just a few things to look out for Amazon in the near term. And just looking at this mining company that American mining company that has seen a slight progression. So if we just pull it out, as you can see, wow, it's, as I say, over 200% progression in the year to date. So that's very, very significant as well. So where are we standing? Well, with the help of the Ichimoku indicator, we have to start piercing this Ichimoku cloud to get back into it, for there to be a chance of any more further record highs on this stock and further progressive upside as well. So just looking on the RSI, not really too much in the way of divergences. There is a long one here, but I believe it's probably been and gone since then. Just looking on the 4 hours as well, let's see what we can sink our teeth into here as well. Again, just looking to see what the upside determination is. If we can pierce this lower border of the Ichimoku cloud, then there is a good chance that we could, as I say, get to these recent peaks here. But we have a little bit of a way to go at the moment. Again, on the RSI intraday, not too much in the way of something that I can give a good signal to at the moment. So again, just be looking to see if it's going to dip below these previous losses here of roughly about $35. And then we can see if it's going to keep falling down. This was only a couple of months ago in the middle of March. So, it could happen if we see momentum waning once more. So I'll be expecting another push upwards when we get to roughly about these borders here. then we could expect another bounce to the downside. So it could be a good opportunity to get in and out of a few trades as well as we go forward into the end of the trading week. So that's all from the Stock Watch today. Thank you very much for joining me as usual. If you have any comments or queries, please add them to the post and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day ahead and bye for now.